On change, we need to grab the value that is emitted and use the function provided by Recaptcha. Sorry, the function that's provided by Formic. This function is actually provided by Formic, and we could add it here. And we will assign to it the value that we have got from it. Since this function has only one parameter, so we could just do this. Okay. Right here we need to check if there is a certain error inside the reCAPTCHA, because if this error exists, we need to reset the reCAPTCHA. So why we are doing this? Because in some cases we will go call our backend, and our backend will send us an error, and the reCAPTCHA will still not errored, so we need to just reset it. We will understand this when we see an example. So we could write if errors.reCAPTCHA reCAPTCHA expired. We have to reset this instant. And right here we will close this error. We will set it as false. So another thing that we need to do is to add here a field called ReCAPTCHA. So how we're gonna do this? We're gonna add right here confirmation ReCAPTCHA. We need to confirm that this is a string dot required, so that the submit button will be disabled as long as the user did not check this reCAPTCHA. So this is the reCAPTCHA. Okay, so let us control save and try now. Right now we will find, okay, the submit button is still not disabled. I think there is an error now. Let's check what is it. So I think the error is that we did not add here name equal ReCAPTCHA. This is still not disabled. This should be disabled, by the way. Okay, we did not add the condition that this button should be disabled when there are any error. So let us add this. We should write here that if there is any error, we need to keep the button disabled. And there will be some condition which is called dirty. If the form is not dirty, we need also to keep it disabled. This dirty is provided by Formic. Dirty. So let us check now the form. So as you can see, the submit button is disabled till we check this thing. Then it is enabled. Right now in the enhanced submit form, besides sending the email, the password and the name, we need to pass something for reCAPTCHA, which is called G reCAPTCHA response. And add values dot reCAPTCHA. So let us test now. Okay, so as you see, we have signed up successfully. Let us see what is returning from the backend. It is giving us a token that we will need to use in further API requests and user object.